G'day, here's a couple of nice examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland up near the Opalton area. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. First piece has got a blue bar of opal. It's undulating a little bit, peters out over here. Second piece, nicer colours. Bar here, little eye over there. This might almost appear to be matrix when you grind it down. I'd say just grind that grind this off here, slightly convex, so you might see something come out of that. Anyway, that's not a very expensive deal. It's a fair bit of a gamble. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.